Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can hide your follower or edit profile on the Snapchat. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe the video. Please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it, and then you will see setting options at top right corner. Click on it, and then scroll down the page and you will see public profile setting. Click on it and then click on edit profile, and here you can add any bio about your profile. So in this way you can edit your bio, and here you can add any location. So after that you can see show how many people follow me. If you want to hide your follower, then turn it off. So in this way you can hide your follower or edit your profile. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.